Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. Moments ago, right before I sat down to do this, I took a look at these boxes and thought, oh, that's interesting. I mean, this one first, then I looked at this one. I'm not going to show the label because I want this to be fun for me too. This has something in it that is wildly off the beaten path for Kansept, and has some pretty interesting implications here. So we're going to open these up. Not a review, just an unboxing and first impressions. You guys can check these out by using the links in the description. I'll have everything down there. It does help my channel when you use those links, but that's entirely up to you. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me, and make sure your notifications are turned on for the Metal Complex YouTube channel. Like I said, we're going to save that one. There's something special in there. We're going to save that one. We're going to do this one first. So this is called, right there, the Strip. Stonewashed Magna Cut, Black Wash Titanium, Purple Haze Fat Carbon. So I don't think I've seen a lot of Magna Cut from Kansept, so that's cool. There's enough weight here. It feels like it's going to be a full-size knife. Alrighty. Ooh, it's got kind of a... initially I was going to say it reminded me of something else, but no. But a nice blade shape, right? This is, you know, pretty typical Kansept. Really nice action. We have plenty of access to the lock bar. Got a nice stonewashed blade. No idea how they're heat treating their Magna Cut. But at this point, anybody who is adopting Magna Cut into their library of knife steels should know that the community surrounding pocket knives that utilize Magna Cut are very, very much wanting it to be 62 to 64, right? A lot of people say it's 63, 64, at least 62 to 64. So I would hope that Kansept is aiming for that. Given that Kansept can create high-end titanium pocket knives or titanium frame pocket knives utilizing materials like carbon fiber, and then blade steels like M390, 20CV, S35VN, S45VN, and some other stuff, I think maybe S90V occasionally. They are very competitive in their pricing. They're more of a Kaiser pricing scale versus your Artisan Cutleries or your Best Deck. So Artisan Cutlery does a pretty good job, but typically lower than your Best Deck, your Wii, and especially like Riot, which is cool. That's what makes them popular, is they've found a nice spot there, and they're able to make a really nice knife and charge a little less for it. This is neat. This is the thing I want to look at, because it says something crazy on the outside of the box. Something that I have never seen from Kansept. And I'll be very, very curious to see what the final price tag is. First of all, I want to inspect it and find out if it's really... They used a particular word, and I was like, okay, well, I'll be the judge of that. So we have the same knife. Okay. Okay. Let's get this out here. A very, very shiny DLC. Hold on. Oh, no. Hold the phone. Hold the phone. It is quite a bit more shiny than I thought. So this is a super hot. This is the word that they used. And this is why I said, now hold on a second. They use the word mirror DLC. Now, this isn't mirror, but it is really nice. This is essentially the equivalent. In fact, I'll just show you. It is the equivalent of Riot's like high polished DLC. I have a Riot T1000 V2 right here that has essentially exactly the same finish. Yeah. Slight maybe tint or whatever. In fact, I would say this is more of a tumble and this is more of a polish. It might actually be even better. Now this is cool because this type of finish is fairly expensive, or at least the competitors who apply this type of finish to a knife usually charge quite a bit more for it. This, in my opinion, looks better than a satin DLC. The satin DLC is fine. What was I doing? I literally have a knife right here. It's also from Riot at the same time. This is the Knoll Dark Mode Voodoo. This is mine. I have spit all over it. But Same type of deal, right? Now we're looking at we're looking at titanium. This is probably not DLC titanium. Maybe it is, right? We're looking at MagnaCut. On this one, we're looking at VanX, two very similar steels. And we're looking at carbon fiber, and there's actually quite a few similarities here. The difference here is that even without knowing the price on the Kansept, and to be fair, this is Blade Binge and Knoll and Riot. 3 parties involved, right? You're going to pay more for that, for sure. This guy is 2 parties. We have Kansept and then the designer here. What does it say? Here. Right there. But I can guarantee you the price on this is substantially less for an item that might not have as much detail in it. I mean, let's be fair here. The Knoll Knives Voodoo does have a lot more detail, and there's a lot more machining that goes into that knife than this knife. But you're probably going to be able to get this for a pretty good deal. I'm not upset that this is not a true mirror. It is a very, very high polish. I would say it actually is more polished than even what Riot does. It's not quite up there with like your Vanguard or your Custom Knife Factory, like super mirror DLC, but it is really nice. And a lot of people, I think, would prefer a finish like this on their knife over a mirror. It is DLC, which means it's going to be extremely scratch resistant. This is cool that they can do this. I don't remember actually ever seeing the ergonomics on this knife are really good, by the way. I don't remember actually ever seeing a Kansept. I mean, maybe I have and I've forgotten, but I didn't realize that they were doing this finish. This is very, very nice. I would venture to guess that this knife is still probably sub 250 from Kansept, making it an extremely competitive combination of elements. So yeah, and this also implies that they can do this on a whole bunch of different stuff. I'm going to be honest with you, I would have been absolutely shocked to see a true mirror. This is pretty much what I was expecting. I don't think that you should advertise this as mirror Kansept. I think you should advertise this as high polished DLC or something like that, because it is not actually a mirror. It's just very, very reflective. But it's still really cool. And I hope that we see this finish in a whole bunch of different stuff from the Kansept line, because this is one of my, like your satin, your high polished stonewashed, your high satin or whatever, your high polished, and your mirror DLCs. Those are all like some of my favorite finishes out there. Overall length of this guy, the strip, coming in at about 8 1/16 with a blade length of 3.5 and a cutting edge length of 3 1/8. That's going to be it today until the final review, which I'll do down the road. And then both of these knives will end up as giveaway items on my live streams, which take place Friday evenings at 8:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. I've tried to start saying this at the end of videos because, people have a hard time figuring out when I'm going live, and it's not always consistent. Sometimes it's on Saturdays or even Sundays. I have a wife and 3 kids, and we do lots of activities, so it is impossible for me to keep a perfectly consistent live schedule. But usually Friday evenings at 8:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. This will become more consistent as we get back into the regular school year. But that's going to be it for me today, guys. Until the final review on these products. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.